we talked about TC and Rebel this whole conversation and stuff. You guys have an excellent friendship, all right? How do you guys keep this friendship together? And in dance hall, when it comes to women, you even said it yourself when you were in Lawless.
Yeah.
How it broke apart and all this. How do you guys keep this friendship so tight, so together, and so it seems genuine? It doesn't seem like you guys are forced or anything.
Yeah.
How do you guys
It
do
is.
that?
It is genuine. All right. So maybe one other thing is we know some persons are expecting us to fade away or break away because it's like females aren't supposed to last long. Girls group aren't supposed to be there for long because female always argue, mixed up, chat each other, whatever. Nah, not us. So it's like we adapt to each surrounding, we learn about each other, we understand each other boundary, and we respect each other in certain way. Each one help one. So even if we have a problem, because we do have problems, we do have issues, but it's not gonna get to the extent where we have to take it to the media, we have to take it to the streets, we have to go tell somebody else. Not no. Even if it's somewhere, and it's never nothing drastic where we can't talk about together. All if we in our feelings, all if we vex. By the end of the night, wanna do.
Yeah.
Me I go drink her. Maybe me no answer, but me still a pull up. Maybe Rebel no answer, but she still a pull up. Maybe TC no answer, but she still a pull up. All right, maybe a week or whatever. So we say move our class to one in there, but it's within the group with the three of us. So I never know if we blow up for out of proportion or come out of the way, or we just understand, say, yo, I just the three away.
Yeah.
And we just have to keep the friendship because we have other friends, we have extended friends also we're aware of the three and aware of the group, and we don't argue or cuss with them either. But it's just been the three of us from day one, and we realize that we're stronger together. We're strong separate, but together we are stronger.
And I'm glad you guys realize that, because a lot of groups think that after a while, some people start to think that it's me.
Yeah, it's me carrying this. It's me. I'm the leader. I'm the
group.
boss. Nah. We know say all the way different in our own way, and all the way bring to the table, and everybody. Rebel have our fan base, TC have our fan base, me have my fan base, but together we have an ultimate fan base, and we realize that. And we just work on that. We work on that more. No, say we're stronger as a group. All right, each person do them own little thing away, but we have a group thing. Yeah, we realize that, and we just keep it that way there.
Yeah.
And we work on it that way there.
No, I rate that 100%. And again, your fans, I think it's good for your fans, where a lot of times nowadays, friends break up so easy. So for your fans and your followers,
Yeah, and
your
they
supporters,
love that.
say,
They love
"That's what it is
PTR.
now."
They love us together.
You understand? You guys doing the commercial. You guys were in what's the reality show that you guys did again?
Dancer life.
Yes, but weren't you guys in the house one? I know Rebel and TC was in it. I'm not sure if I see the house, social house.
Oh, social house. Rebel and TC went.
Yes.
Yeah.
You guys do all type of stuff, so people really like to see that you guys keep it together. You understand?
Yeah.
You guys just keep, especially as females in a male-dominated industry.
Yep.
You guys gotta keep it together. Nobody never said you're not gonna fight, you're not gonna cuss, you're not gonna have up somebody for a week and get back. As long as you guys don't weaponize your social media,
Yeah.
that's what you don't want to do. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? Cuss till you're weak, back and forth, whatever, but don't put that out and make anybody see.
Yeah.
Because people are waiting for you guys
things
to.
we never fight. We argue, but it's nothing so serious to be hurtful or too harsh.
Yeah.
But we tell off each other in a way where you must hear. You're too stubborn. You must hear. All right, do what you want. I'm not in the talk. I'm not in the mood. All right, so you do what you want. I'm not in the mood either. Bye. I either have Mary TC always at it. You either have Rebel say, oh my God, I'm tired and trying to annoying and whatever. Like, I just like that way. Never different or to the extent where we have to tell each other about one mother or no, it not get so drastic. It not get so
rate
crazy.
that. Out of the three of you guys, who's the lover, who's the fighter, and who's the quiet one?
What we ever say no? Because we have all of them features there.
But there has to be one more fighter, a little bit more lover, and a little bit more quiet.
All right. In a situation, it has to be in a situation. So, if we're in a situation, TC will cuss like no. Rebel will show you one box down no.
Yeah.
Me, we just there on at the back. Can I pick out your eyeball? But that's why my friend them come out of the way. Can I bite you up? The like me I go tear you apart.
Yeah.
So I'm just always around the back. I look out of my eye because I know people stay. I just want to know like who really me and my friend them the arm. So I just always a look like I always people maybe I say, oh she always standoffish, oh she no I'm not. I just always I look out for my friend them.
You're
always
observant, you like to look.
I am very observant. And I know some I have my friend them at the end of the day. And sometimes people can be fake. Like, I not have nothing. I can't tell the fake and I cannot pretend. Like, listen, I not have any. If me have to step out of my comfort zone or be somebody where I not gonna have it, I'm not doing it. None at all. And I feel like because we reach in a lot of situations where I'm really, really, really like this. Because I used to say so one time, but not so much, no. Like, I put my P's and Q's, no. Like, I'm not in the cussing, you know, but I know. And it really have to take, like, yeah, this my friend in one type of way, or if I petty shit, like, I just did it, I not nothing to say, like, I'm just an area and don't deal with me.
Yeah.
Like, don't deal with me. I don't have the time, I'm a friend, don't deal with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, just me that. But loving, like, we show love hard, you know.
Yeah.
We don't show soft love. Like, and last night we were talking about this. Like, you have people that show mushy and no, we that.
Hard.
Like, if, like, say for instance, me I go through a man problem, or my friend, we would be like, say TC call me a rebel or kind of conference call and and she say, girls, no. We say, you're crazy. You put on your clothes, girl. We are going later. Yeah, we got angle something, girl. And we we go drink and listen to music and snap and go on with yourself. Or tomorrow we say, all right, we got to watch you. We go on the river. We are going to do this. We are going to do. Yeah, just so we're not in the. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, like, we don't show those type of emotions. Like, we're rough.
Yeah.
We're rough. We show love different or one another different.
But you do show love.
Yeah. Soft, no. Like, if me see them I deal with someone, me will say, oh God, don't leave the people alone. No, stop with you. Oh God. But fight, I feel like that. I feel like rebel will fight, me will fight. But me I look at your face. Yeah, man, me I look at your face.
You told me that from you walked in this
Yeah, man, I look at your face, man. Me can't attack it. I look at your face.
No long talking.
Yeah, but I realize that dancehall now in the industry, it's a crazy place. So you see, to be more subtle and just make things go, I rather that road there. Yeah, because listen, when I got in the streets and I feel I go, so I look if you come lick me back or if you got, back then, people would fight like physical. They fight and get it over with. I see I'm in like her or whatever. But now it's not like that anymore. It's like, you diss me, I gotta take your life. Like you diss me, I have to stab you up. Like it get out.
It goes to the extreme.
It's got to go. And listen, me not in that. Some extreme girl and girl. And when you look, man, I get involved. Like at some different levels to these things. So I'm like, okay, you see, if I can avoid you, I will avoid you. You see, I can take my friend them and say, come. Go on. I'd rather do that.
Yeah. That doesn't mean you can't defend it, you know.
That does
you
not
rather
mean.
not deal with that.
Rather
If
not.
you can get away with it, I'd rather not deal with this right
Yeah.
now.
If it's a case where, all right, I'm petty, it's not necessary.
Well, you can defend it.
Okay, so we want to say, you did not touch me. You did not do none of the farm. So here I go now. Cat attacking.
Yeah,
Yeah, I miss you. A little more.
right there.
Yeah.
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.